Hi team. Today we will discuss regarding the master data, and we will cover the first topic in master data, that is material master. And here what you will do, we will define how to create the material master and what is the material type, what is industry sector and all. Right. So before that, we should understand what is the master data. What is master data? So master data means these are the important information which is stored in the SAP system regarding different masters. Like in master data, there may become like a vendor master, material master, info record, and this type of things we are using in the SAP MM, right? So, what is the material master? Material master means this is the data regarding the materials and uh, the importance of the material, what is the material number, right? All about the material we are storing in the material master data. So if I will say in material master, what do you will do? First, the following points we will cover, right? First, we will define a master type, material type. We'll define that, and then we will create number ranges and have to assign with material type, right? So keep patient, just learning after like completion of class, you will understood everything, right? So number range, then we will create material group, right? These are the most important thing what we have create, and are the most important thing what we will use, that is material type and material group throughout our transactions, right? But yes, to create the material master, we should define a industry sector also. Industry sector means which type of sector the matter belongs to, right? Like a different type of industry sectors are present, right? So I will show them. Okay, but yes, we will not define the industry sector. It is not our work, right? I just show you the predefined industry sectors and where we can define the industry sector also, right? But yes, apart from the industry sector, we will define all above three things. So let me show you my screen. I have logged into my system. First, let me show you what is the material master data and what is the T code for to create material master data. So to create the material master in the SAP system, we have to use the T code MM01. This is the T code. You have to remember that MM01, and to edit MM02, and for display MM03. So here everything is mentioned. I have to show you like and during the creation of master data, what we have to put like industry sector, and here a material in first option there, and that we have to put the material. But yes, it will be come automatically, right? A material number, right? When we will save the material, and if you we can assign it external also, we can put it. Yes, I will tell you later. And then we have to put the industry sectors. This type of industry sectors are already present, we have to choose from this. Yes, and then we will define the material type. Yes, here the predefined material types are present, right? But we can create the material type because it is important for our chapter also, right? So this type of things, then we'll do what is the select views and all. So let's do how to define material types. So go to our SPRO screen, then click on SAP reference IMG, then go to logistic general. Yes, over here logistic general is present. Then what we'll do, we'll create material master, then go to the basic setting. Then what we'll do here, material types is present, so we will create over there material types. So then go to the define attributes of material types. Here there are many material types are present, but yes, I will tell you one thing. If for a fresher you are going to work and to create the material types, you don't have to create a new one. You have to copy from the existing one. So let me show you, and you can search in the net what are the first standard material types. Let me show you ROS. ROS is the standard and a raw material type. From this we can copy. And second one, other material FERT, right? If you will search, this is, yes, finished good material type, then semi-finished. There are many material types are present. So here we will create two types of material. Let me show you. ROS is the standard one. So what we will do, just put that, then select the line item ROS, then just copy it. Copy here, copy option. Okay. So everything I'm copying from the ROS. So over here we'll change our material name. Let example like Z ZT O H, right? Which is the last two digit, and why Z? Because in SAP A2 of 2 like X, everything will be mentioned by the standard. Yes, if you are like doing some other transaction, you are giving two names. So you should start from Y or Z. That will be seen that anyone can know on the other like customized name, right? So raw material for that example, मैं आपको दे देता हूँ टाटा कंपनी, right? We these are the Tata raw material company, right? So keep it as it is. So just click enter. Okay, over here click enter, then click enter, then just save it. So it is done. The material is created. Then what we'll do? Just select the line item, then click on quantity and value operating. You will later know why we are choosing that. And then we have to do what? Just click on position and valuation area means whatever the plants we have created. We have created two plants and TH01. And what is the material type what we have created right now? TAR ZTOS, right? OH. Okay. Okay, here the plants come. And if you don't have you are not remember what is the plant, whatever the plant you are created already, so just assign them with by the clicking the tick symbol, right? Then save it. Okay, so now one metal type has been created. Let me show you also. So this type of things we have created, right? We have mentioned over here the company plant and all we have created already. And if you are not going through that videos previously whatever we have uploaded, you may go through that. So here today we created the one material, that is ZTUS for raw material, right? This is the material type. Okay, so we will define another material type for the furnace furnished goods also, right? And what will be the name? Let us create first. In the similar manner, we will create another material type, right? So that will be for the finished good. So for the standard, what is the name? FERT, and you may see over here FERT finished material type, right? So just copy it, go to click the copy option, then change the name and just give the name of our like ZTFE. Let example FE. So this is the finished material for Tata Group, right? Let just example, but yes, when you will work, you will give the name as per your instruction. Okay, just click on it. Okay, just go. Yes, number dependent. So now just check whether the quantity and value is updated or not over here. So click on position. What is the valuation area? Valuation area means plant, right? TH01 and material type, whatever we create right now, ZTFE, I think, right? ZTFE, TH0102, just click over here. Okay, done. Then click on save. Okay, done. So metal type has been created right now. So we have to go back. Then we have to assign a number to the material types. But yes, since we have created like copying and the material type from ROH and FERT, there already the number range is copied for that. But yes, if we can, if we want, then we can assign a number range for it also. So for the number range, what we can do? Define output format for the material numbers, right? Just click over that. Sorry, and this will not happen. Yes, in the same key, like in method type where we have defined the material types, here there is the option define number ranges for each material type. Just go to click on that. We'll do the easiest method for that, right? We should not like take tension and all. So there are different types of material already predefined over here. So, oh, let me click here. There are many types of material already present over here, right? You are seeing. So here what we are saying, there are different type of number were already assigned over here, right? Present. So accordingly, we have to define our number. But yes, uh, you may see over here, right? This type of things, right? But yes, to create number, first what we will do, just click over groups, then go to group, then create. After that, here you will create a number, right? So here you will put the name, you will define the name, right? Like a Tata material number range, right? Then you will define the number like a, let example 6,000 of okay, then copy it from number, then go to the two number, just order do, right? This let example, then here number is 91, then 7. Interval without overlap. Enter interval without overlap. That means in this number and there are already numbers is present over here, right? So what we will do, let example, what we did, 56, See what's happening. Yes, there are many numbers are already present since it is a practice system. So you don't have to worry. So what we will do, we'll just assign the number, right, which is already existing. So for that, what we will do, just go back, click on over elements, right? So here, let us check what is our like material type. To check over here and the material type. So what was our material type? ZTOH, right? This is our material type. So just click over here. Yes, this one has been selected. Then click on element group. There are many numbers are assigned. Let example, I just assign to it to 03, right? Just click here, right? And then save it. So number has been saved. So in that similar manner, we can assign the material type, second material type also. That is ZTFE. Already predefined materials are present. That's why I just did that. Yes, this one. Then click on elements. Then let me check which number we can assign. There are different types of numbers also present, right? Yeah, let me assign the number here. Finished good for group Shakti, right? Whatever you will create, you can assign to them by the following processes, right? Then save it. So to metal type is assigned to the material type. Material number is assigned to the material types. It is the simple thing. You should not worry for it, right? So material type and numbers has been completed, right? Then what we'll do, we will define the material groups, right? So for the material groups, what we will do, so for the material groups, what we will do, we will click on in basic setting. What we will do, we cover the material type. Then setting, go to setting for key fields, right? Click over here. Then here, define material groups. Over here, we will define the material groups. I think I just show you the path again. First, we will click the SAP reference IMG, right? Then so which path we have covered for the material master, log logistic general, then material master. Then in basic setting, what we did over here, material types we have defined, right? Material types and here material define attributes for material type, then define number ranges for each material type. We did here, we did it, right? So after that, basic settings, right? We have to click on settings for key fields. Just go for it. Then here, define material groups. So metal, which groups it belongs to. So click over here, new entry. Just let us give a new material group, ZTA, right? ZTAT. Otherwise, we just give the name Tata, right? Again, there is no problem. So metal type is Tata material group, right? So then save it. So material type has been created. Just go back. Then I had told you, right, industry sector also, but yes, I'll show you where we can define the industry sector. So here you can see material master, and after that there is a option field selections, right? Field selection. Then over here there is a option define industry sectors and industry sector specific field, right? Just click over here. Like this, we can define different type of industry sector by click on a new entry, then give the field name. So we don't need to do that because already many names are already present, right? We'll assign from there. So we have covered, we have covered the few things like over here you can see like we have defined finished good material type name is TFE type, right? And the material group like show you again. Oh yeah, yeah. And material group, for each material group we have created data is our material group. Then what we'll do, we'll define the so how to create the master data material master. This is the important part. You should all learn about it, right? So click on MM01. You can understood, right? Why OMM01? O means other screen, right? OMM01. Just click over here. Okay, the page has been come. So industry sector, let example, we just choose mechanical engineering from the drop down, and what is the material type. So what we have created, let me search you ZT or ZTOH we have created, right? Here you can see raw material, sorry, ZT create किए थे, right? So ZTOH here, right? ZTOS for data. For the raw material type we have created. Then what will click enter. So there are many fields over here is present, but yes, for the basics, you will learn step by step what are the important for that, right? But yes, we have to basic data one, purchasing view, then general plan data, then accounting one. Just choose the following field which is required for the initial transactions, right? But yes, you will choose as per the your like point of view, like as per your the company's requirement, right? After that, what we did, click on organization level. Here we will put our plant. What was our plant? TA01 is our plant, and what is our storage location? 1000. Okay, then click on continue. Okay, like this here you are seeing, right? This is a number is coming. Whatever the number we have assigned, right? As per that number, and it has come automatically, right? And there is a option also that like we can choose the external. For the external, we have to put over here, right? So since it is internal, the number is coming automatically. So here, let me create a material, right? Let example Tata steel, Tata steel uh, one, right? One, two, right? Like a material name I just put, right? Whatever the material name you can put over here. Then base unit of measurement. So the material in which unit you are using for the measurement, there are different types, right? Kg, right? Different type of units are present, but yes, you can do that. But yes, I just put over here kg, right? Unit of measurement is kg, right? You can choose anything. Then we have to put the material group. What is the material group we have created right now? TA, right? Data, we have the material group, right? We can search the from the drop down also, right? So after that, just click enter. Just click enter. Then click enter. Every field is not required right now, but yes, with the progress of class we can like change the material type also by MM02. So in the initial level we should just skip that everything. So what is the valuation class? From the drop down we can choose the valuation class which is assigned to do it. So let's choose 3000. So you will learn later what is valuation class and all, right? Because you are initial standard, so just put it there. And price control V, there are two type of price control. One is moving price and another one is standard, right? So here I just choose V. So that time you can learn what is the moving price and what is the like a standard price. So I just keep the name. These are the important fields. So I just click enter. Then here save option, right? So this is the material number what is we have created, right? Just I copy it. Then what I did, just I have mentioned over here material, right? We have created this material. This is the raw material we have created. In that similar manner, we can create the another material or for the finished good material. So let me create also for that ZTFE, right? We have created what uh, ZTFE here, finished good material. So after that, just select the views, do the same, click on organization label, then put the plant as a sorry TA01 or plant for the, then click on 1000, then click on continue, just give the name, the Tata, sorry, Tata finished, finished steel. Let example, just give the name one two, just I just given the name. You can give the unit of measurement each material group, and here the material group is Tata. Just click over enter, just click enter. Here we can give the purchasing group also, right? What was our purchase group? TA, right? Purchasing group we have defined previously. So click over here, click enter. Then over here what we do the finished good, and we will put the valuation class. What are the valuation class present over here? Let's choose the S920. Then moving price will become automatically. Then let example the price is 2000, right? So then click on save. Here you can see the number is coming like 500. Like this is short number, and this number come as per what? As per the number we have created and assigned there, right? In the material type. So material, this one is the finished material, finished material. So in today's class we have learned like how to create the material, right? So let me check show you. So let me show you how to change the material also. So for the to change the material, what will be the T code? Like N for the that same screen MM02 to change the material, right? So here this material number we have created right now, it come automatically, but otherwise you can from source this whatever we have created the material, you can search over here by putting the plant. What was our plant? TA01. Just click over here and click on continue. Okay, just click over here. Okay, I'll show you again. So search the material with different types, right? We can search as per the number. We can search as per the material group also, right? There are different type of things are present over here. You can learn time by time. Made it. We can find the material number by material group also. So what was our group? TA, Tata. Here, yes. You are seeing these are the materials we have created. So just click the first one as I show, and then click on the things. It will come automatically. Then you can do it like our plan TA01, and then storage location was 1000, right? You can click enter. This way you can change the material data also, right? And we can extend the material to another plant also. To how to extend that, we'll do the same way. But yes, you can learn what is the extension of the material. That means this material has been created for the plant one, but yes, we can extend the material to the material to the plant two also, right? This way we can edit the material. And to display the material, we have to use the same T code like MM03 T code, right? Just click enter. This way we will select the views, then and whatever the things we want to see the data, right? So we can see that. So in this way we have to create the material master. This is the basic classes, and we learned about how to create the material types, number ranges, and material groups and material types, right? And in the next class we will see how to create the normal vendor master, right? After that we will go for the purchasing cycle, like a procurement cycle, right? So thank you for the watching the video. So any doubt, any query, you may comment me. And if you are if you want to know like more about it, or if you want any guidance, you may contact me. Thank you so much.